I'm excited to announce Ivory Organics 10 Days of Christmas starts now, December 1st through December 10th, where this year we're giving away our latest and greatest innovative, organic, effective, USA-made product is the Ivory Organic all-purpose foliar feed nutritional fertilizer tea bags, where these tea bags can be used. There's simply 10 tea bags per box, and each tea bag can be added to a gallon of water starting now in your wintertime to foliar nutritionally feed all of your tropicals and evergreen plants to make sure they have all of the elements necessary to correct any nutritional deficiencies so that they can be off to an excellent start come spring bloom time for maximum summer yields. The Ivory Organic all-purpose foliar feeding nutritional fertilizer tea bags come again 10 per box. That is under $2 per gallon of product. It contains all of the 6 plant macronutrients, which are your NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, as well as magnesium, sulfur, and calcium, plus the azomite for micronutrients. For all your plants, including your fruits, your veggies, your roses, potted plants, and more. It makes 10 gallons of foliar nutritional spray and is versatile and easy to use as a foliar feed and also as a supplement to your compost tea. To participate, the rules are as follows. Simply go to the Ivory Organic Instagram or Facebook accounts. Those links will be below this video description. And then find the 10 Days of Christmas giveaway image. Once you find that image, go below there and begin tagging your friends. Tag at least 2 gardening friends, and if you tag more, you increase your chances of winning. Shipping will be included for USA only. Instagram winners are announced every odd day, so being the 1st, the 3rd, the 5th, the 7th, and the 9th. And then for the Facebook winners, those will be announced on every even day. So on the 2nd, the 4th, the 6th, the 8th, and the 10th day. In the month of December, I'm happy to also share with you that for all of you that purchase an Ivory Organics Trio gift box, which is either the yellow or the blue gift box, that will also come with for free an added bonus being the Ivory Organics foliar nutritional spray product. Tea bags will also be included with your Trio gift set for free, whether you purchase the yellow or the blue Trio gift box. Visit ivoryorganics.com for further details, and Ivory Organics again is truly appreciative for all of the subscribers that have become a part of the growing Ivory Organics family. Be sure to, if you have not yet done so, subscribe and hit that push bell notification to stay informed of all of our educational lessons from year to year, and most importantly, share us with your gardening friends and family. As always, keep growing with Ivory Organics, and wishing you all happy gardening. Merry Christmas.